All right, thanks, Brian. So May is Asian Heritage Month, and we're celebrating with Joyce Leung from Joyce of Cooking, who is teaching us and teaching me how to make sushi rolls.
Yes.
And I'm so fascinated in this because I love sushi. I'm assuming at home you like sushi. It's delicious. If you don't know anything about sushi, try it and you'll love it.
Yes.
Kids love it too. But I don't get it all the time. It can be expensive.
It can get very expensive, especially if you want more than 2 or 3 rolls. So this is perfect. You can make it at home, and you can make as many rolls as you want, much cheaper that way.
What do we need in the house? What do we need in the pantry? What are the must-haves?
Yeah, so definitely you need soy sauce to start off with. I mean, it's not only for sushi; it's for everyday cooking.
It's a staple.
Yeah, we have spicy mayo if you're a big fan of little
You
bit
can
of
get.
spice.
I was saying,
yeah.
I've never seen this. So you can get this as sriracha mayo anywhere, right?
Yeah, anywhere now. You can. If you can't find this, you can just do a siracha plus mayo that's kicking around.
Mix it together yourself.
Yeah, kind of do that yourself. We also have avocados, cucumbers, and then really when you make it your own yourself, you can really make it your own and put whatever you like in it as well.
What about the rice?
Rice is a short grain rice. The key is to wash your rice, which means to just rinse off some of the starch ahead of time. So that's the most important part. You don't need a rice cooker if you don't have one.
Okay.
You can just cook it on the pot. But
follow the instructions on the label and do that. So washing it before you actually cook it.
Yeah.
Okay. Do we have rice in here?
Yeah, go for it.
Oh, okay.
So you can scoop out a little, put it right on.
How much do we need here?
So start off with less because you can't easily
get rid of it.
Off.
Even like that much?
Oh, a little bit more than that. A little bit more than that. You want to cover most of the nori, which is what we have over here.
How about you show me?
Yeah.
how much I need?
Go for it.
Okay.
We can put a little bit more there.
Because it's like a stickier rice.
Yeah. So short grain rice is a stickier rice for sure. It has more starch in it, which is why you need to rinse some of it out. So we're just covering it. Pretty much the whole sheet. You want to get it as thin as possible. And we have a bamboo mat that we covered with either plastic or a plastic bag just to make life easier.
Where can you get a bamboo?
You can get it at any Asian grocery store.
Okay.
They're like $2.
Are they really? Okay.
Yeah, really cheap. So what we're gonna do once you have that on is we're gonna flip this guy over so that we have the rice on the outside. And you can kind of see the nori sheet transform from crispy to soft as the rice kind of hits it, right? You're doing fantastic.
It is sticky. It's sticky.
But that helps kind of get everything together.
Okay.
So
you go ahead and go to the next step while I do this.
So with any roll, so I like to put in a little bit of crab meat. We can put some cucumber, and then I have some fresh fish from Hammerheads on Ottawa Street as well. So we can throw that in too.
And how much are we putting on there?
You just want a little bit. Just
less is more?
Less is always more, yeah. So I would say that's good.
That's good. Okay.
And then you can put some of the imitation crab meat. There's some salmon here for you.
Okay.
And you can put sauces in it as well if you like.
So you have classes coming up where you're teaching folks how to make these?
Yeah, absolutely. So we have, perfect. So then what you want to do is you want to take your bag and just roll it over. So using your fingers to kind of make a burrito, right? At home when we make burritos. And then you want to squeeze that.
Squeeze that.
Yeah, so classes coming up. We have kids classes coming up. Kids
this would be fun for kids, right?
Yeah.
So like that?
Beautiful. Keep going.
Okay.
So every time you roll, you squeeze. And then we have a Mother's Day sushi making class next week at Barrel Heart Brewery in Dundas.
So are all the classes at different locations?
Yeah, generally different locations. I just kind of use different spots. We have an egg tart class coming up. We also have dumplings.
Oh, is that the egg tarts right in front of us here?
Yeah, these are the egg tarts that we're going to be doing later on in the month at Pinch.
Okay.
So yeah, lots of fun stuff. Let's see. Wow, it's
okay. So like
you
that.
need a triangle, which is beautiful, very artistic.
Yours looks a little bit better than mine, as expected.
But look, everything's stuck together.
Yes.
Everything stays inside.
And then we just transfer it there.
Put it right onto the cutting board.
And then you want to cut it off for me, so we can give it a.
Yeah, you're gonna just kind of
need a little bit more rice on the end.
That's okay. Look at beautiful job.
Can I dip that in there?
Go for it.
Oh yes. All right. Where can they sign up or find more info about Joyce?
Yeah, so joyceofcooking.com or Eventbrite for all of the upcoming classes.
All right. Oh, sushi in the morning.
Sushi for breakfast.
Great seeing you, Joyce. Thank you.
Thanks.